I'm Maria Zotou. I work in the University of the Aegean and I work on the case study of lionfish or Pterois miles. So lionfish is an invasive species originated from the Indo-Pacific Ocean who has invaded the Mediterranean throughout the Suez Canal. It tends to be a voracious predator, which means the lionfish eats any kind of fish which fits into his mouth. And this, throughout the years, tends to be a huge issue because it disrupts the biodiversity on the regions where it expands. It prefers rocky reefs, and the only fish who actually can eat a small lionfish are large groupers, large eels, and sometimes octopus. But the issue in general is that these species tend to be overfished in the Mediterranean, so we don't have enough native predators to get rid of the lionfish. Apart from the competition with other species, it tends to be very localized and drives away other species. In addition to that, it has venomous spikes, which means that while being captured in nets or get in contact with swimmers, it can create a health issue. It's not lethal, however, it requires specific health attention. The problem is mostly around fishermen, especially while using nets. So in the effort to disentangle them from nets, they might get stung. And also, since it's a species that is not very afraid of humans, even scuba divers can be stung by it. So within GuardIAS, we will implement an experiment where in two different locations we will have continuous removal campaigns. The main idea is that these two areas will be completely without lionfish for a period of 2 years, so we can see how the ecosystem overcomes the invasion of lionfish and how other fish react. One aspect of the experiment is this, and at the same time we will implement a second experiment using hydrophones to assess whether the soundscape of the other fish is improved or stays the same with and without the presence of lionfish. That everybody could be part of the solution towards lionfish. So since it doesn't have natural predators, we can be part of the solution. Even a person who is not that responsible regarding ecological issues, just by choosing to eat lionfish instead of a local grouper, he becomes a part of the solution. Well, eradication, when we talk about the sea, it's a very vague essence. So the actions are mostly to target fishing, to convince spearfishing people to target this fish, and to avoid killing the potential predators of this fish. Fishermen, restaurant owners, basically all parts of the general public that we can consider of the locations where the eradication campaigns will happen. And also my favorite target group to work with are kids in high schools. So they're kids who may be fishing hobbyists. So they can be part of the solution and also affect their parents on how to choose responsibly the fish they choose to eat.